Number 1.
I've never had to wait so long just to pay for a few groceries.
I think you should get in another line.
What does the woman suggest the man do? Number 2.
How does your babysitting job go?
Oh, fine. The children spent most of the day going down the hill on their new sled.
What did the children do? Number 3.
Where should I put these letters for you?
Oh, just toss them in that file.
What does the woman tell the man to do with the letters? Number 4.
Did you get your suitcase packed?
Yeah, but now I can't close it.
What does the man mean? Number 5.
What kind of bread did Annie bake?
My favorite, whole wheat bread.
What is learned about Annie? Number 6.
Has Brenda finished writing her story for the radio news?
Oh, sure. She's just taping it now.
What does the man say about the story? Number 7.
Do you have Emily's address?
She has a new one. Let me see if I can find it for you.
What does the woman mean? Number 8.
How's the coffee here, Dennis?
It's a little bitter, to tell the truth.
What does Dennis say about the coffee? Number 9.
I bought a ticket for the drawing. I hope I win.
What's the prize, Ellen?
What does the man ask Ellen? Number 10.
I wonder if this old bottle I found is worth any money. It's a beautiful color.
Yes, but look, there's a chip in it.
What does the woman say about the bottle? Number 11.
I saw Jerry is walking on crutches. Did he have an accident?
His feet slipped in some oil, and he twisted his knee.
What happened to Jerry? Number 12. This is a beautiful part of the state. What's it most famous for?
Well, you'll see some remarkable racehorses here.
Why is this area well known?
Number 13.
So, did the committee finally reach a decision on that issue?
Finally, after they fought about it all afternoon.
How did the committee spend the afternoon? Number 14.
I've never seen you in that shirt before.
I don't wear it very often. It's too tight in the collar.
What is the problem with the shirt? Number 15.
Are you having a midterm exam in Professor McGuire's class?
No, he assigned a paper instead.
What did Professor McGuire do? Number 1.
Stephanie, did you ever phone your friend?
No, but I sent her a letter.
What did Stephanie do? Number 2.
I understand that Stewart is going to resign as vice president.
As a matter of fact, he's so disappointed that he wasn't elected president, he's quitting the club.
What does the man say about Stewart? Number 3.
So you're going to take that class in ecology. What will you be studying?
Well, according to the course catalog, it's the systematic study of life on this planet.
What does the woman say about the class she is going to take? Number 4.
Are you ready to go now, Janet?
As soon as the rain stops.
What does Janet tell the man? Number 5.
I heard Darlene was having a hard time with her physics homework.
Yes, but Sam has kindly offered to assist her.
What does the woman say about Sam? Number 6.
I need to get a quick bite before we go to the workshop.
There's a coffee shop here in the hotel.
What does the man suggest the woman do? Number 7.
How can I take notes if I don't have anything to write with?
You can probably borrow a pen from Gus. He always has one behind his ear.
What does the woman say about Gus? Number 8. Was the flood bad in your part of town?
Bad. We practically needed boats to get home.
What does the woman imply? Number 9.
Terry wasn't in class Monday, I noticed.
Well, she came down with a cough this weekend, but she's feeling better now.
What does the man say about Terry? Number 10.
So, Jane, what are your duties as Professor Ramsey's assistant?
For one thing, I help him correct tests.
What does Jane help Professor Ramsey do? Number 11. Ned's apartment is so hot this summer, I don't know how he can stand it.
It's a little better now that he got a fan.
What is learned about Ned? Number 12.
Bonnie, you did look over the lease before you signed it, didn't you?
Well, I tried to, but not even a lawyer could understand this lease.
What does Bonnie mean?